What if I told you there are two very different paths to weight loss? One through medication like GLP-1, you've probably heard of Ozempic or Wegovy, and the other through lifestyle changes like nutrition, exercise, sleep, and stress management. But which one actually works better? Let's break it down. Hi, I am Manuel Villacorta, registered dietitian, weight loss expert, and culinary dietitian with over 20 years of experience helping people lose weight and keep it off. Over the years, I've coached thousands of people, and I've seen firsthand what happens when you lean only on medication and what happens when you commit to lifestyle. GLP-1 medications work by slowing digestion and helping you feel full faster. Many people lose weight quickly. I've heard clients say, Manuel, this is the first time I'm not obsessing about food all day. And that is real. But here is the reality. Medications don't teach you habits. The moment you stop, and most people do, whether because of cost or side effects, the weight often comes back. Now let's look at lifestyle. It's not quick. It requires time, effort, and yes, commitment. But it builds the skills you need to live a healthy way for life. Let me share Kevin's story. Kevin lost 185 pounds. Yes, 185 pounds. Purely with lifestyle. It took 2 years, and it wasn't easy. But step by step, we worked on new habits, balanced meals, movement he enjoyed, learning to listen to his hunger cues. And here's the amazing part. Once he reached his goal, his whole life opened up. He chased a dream he had put off for decades, going to university. He was accepted into NYU, became a librarian, lived the last 8 years of his life full of joy and purpose. The transformation started with lifestyle, no medications. So which one works better? If your goal is short-term speed, GLP-1 can feel like magic. But for long-term sustainability and truly changing your life, lifestyle always wins. Because when the medication stops, only lifestyle keeps carrying you forward. So here's the bottom line. GLP-1 may help kickstart weight loss, but lifestyle is what locks it in and transforms lives far beyond the scale. In the next episode of this series, I'll reveal the real cost of both paths. Not just the money you'll spend, but the time and energy you'll invest. You won't want to miss it.